Today we are in Ruby, in the square Caragalera, in front of the town hall. Here we have the Kärriksdolov. We will build a 3x6. It's assembled via a pillar from Hammargullia. There aren't too many people here in the square, but at least we have a beautiful town hall building.
Oye, ¿qué pasa? Yo le vino a tener más coño.
This doesn't give us a quite good chance to see how Hammargullia is being built, because now we see at the second level how the second level of the pillar just entered, while the children at the top are completing the structure. So at the same time as now the Antonetta will climb up on the top. On the second level, the third level of the pillar is climbing up on the second level. But with this construction that doesn't count for anything as long as the pillar isn't crowned. So now the Antonetta has to come down. He doesn't seem to know how to do that. Well, there we go. So the top tile will proceed all the way down, while the secador will take the position as the top person of the pillar in the middle of the structure. That happens here. And with this we have a Hammargullia Karajas by the Kärriksdolov. Which they are now disassembling in a very controlled way. So, Hammargullia das Karajas in Ruby 2010.